Hey everyone, welcome to Paint the Kitchen Red. I'm Nina and I share Instant Pot tips and recipes from all over the world. I'm on a mission to convert every one of my family's favorite recipes to an Instant Pot recipe. And today I'm going to be sharing with you Instant Pot Thai red curry. Thai red curry is one of my most popular recipes on my blog, and when you make it, you'll see why. It's a restaurant quality recipe that can be made in less than 30 minutes. As a matter of fact, I can usually get it done in about 20 minutes. It's that easy, and I usually have all my ingredients that I need on hand, so it's a great last-minute recipe to make. Now, there are a few ingredients that you need to have in order to have a successful Instant Pot Thai red curry. One of them is a really good quality fish sauce. I like to use Red Boat fish sauce. If you can find this brand, it's a little more expensive, but it's worth it in my opinion. But if you don't have this brand of fish sauce, you can use any fish sauce, but don't omit the fish sauce. It doesn't have a fishy taste as you might expect. It really adds a lot of umami to the Thai red curry. Another ingredient that's really important is a good quality coconut milk. Now, there are some brands that are available at regular grocery stores that I don't care for. I like this brand, and I also like another brand called Arroy D. And so if you use these brands of coconut milk, I think you'll have a really good result. Another important ingredient is Thai red curry paste. I like this brand, Maesri, and another brand that I like is Mae Ploy. This is a yellow curry paste, but it also comes in red curry as well. Both of these are good. I really like this one a lot. If I'm using this one, I use 3 tablespoons, and if I'm using Mae Ploy, I use 2 tablespoons because it's a little more spicy. But the quantity of paste is going to be determined by your taste and how much spice you can take. And finally, the herbs that I recommend, one is lime leaves. Lime leaves are available at Asian grocery stores. If you can find them, it would add a lot of flavor to this recipe. If you can't find them, you can substitute lime zest or lime juice. Another important ingredient is Thai basil. I buy a big bunch of Thai basil and I stick it in some water, and it lasts a long time. I just replenish the water every so often. This was bought probably a month ago and it still looks really fresh. So you can buy a big bunch, and then that way if it's hard for you to get to an Asian grocery store, you can keep it for quite a while. Okay, I think we're ready to get started. I'm going to walk you through how to make the Thai red curry. So here are the ingredients you're going to need. 1 cup of bell peppers, red or green or a combination of the two. 1 cup of carrots. I like to use the baby carrots because I'm lazy and I just like to buy the baby carrots and cut them into slices. You can just use a regular carrot and peel it and cut it into coins or whatever way you want to cut your carrots. 1/2 cup of bamboo shoots. These are canned bamboo shoots. And in this video, I'm not going to be using bamboo shoots. I don't always use them, but feel free to include them. 1 pound of boneless, skinless chicken thighs. You could use breasts, but I prefer the thighs because they just do really well in the Instant Pot. Cut into small bite-sized pieces. 1 can of regular fat coconut milk, and this is a 14-ounce can. 1/2 cup of onion, cubed. 2 teaspoons of brown sugar or to taste. 3 tablespoons of Thai red curry paste. 1/4 cup of chicken broth or water. 2 tablespoons of fish sauce or more to taste. And 1 tablespoon of lime juice. And in terms of herbs, we're going to need about a dozen Thai basil leaves, or you can add more if you like more of a Thai basil flavor, and about 4 lime leaves. Turn the Instant Pot on saute mode, and once the inner pot is heated up, add some curry paste to the inner pot. Add 1/2 the can of coconut milk. Be careful of the steam because it's going to be really hot. Stir the two together And things can get a little messy sometimes because the coconut milk can splatter. So you can use a splatter screen to cover the Instant Pot. I will put a link to that in the notes. I love using the splatter screen when I'm using saute mode because it just prevents a mess on my countertop. And you're going to stir the mixture until it's thick and bubbly and has this beautiful golden color. And at that point, you add the chicken. Now add the remaining coconut milk from the can. And I don't like to waste, so I'm going to take the broth or water and mix it into the can and swirl it around so that I can get all the bits of coconut milk into my curry. And you can even use a spatula to scrape up whatever's left on the side of the can so that you don't waste anything. Now it's time to stir everything up so that the chicken mixes into the coconut milk. And now we're going to close the lid of the Instant Pot. And I'm going to program the Instant Pot to pressure cook on high pressure for 4 minutes. Once the pressure cooking is done, I'm going to release the steam using the quick release method. I have an Instant Pot Duo Evo Plus, so it has a slide that I move to the venting position. If you have a Duo, you would move the steam release handle from sealing to venting. And if you have an Ultra, you would press the steam release button to do a quick release. Now it's time to open the Instant Pot because the float valve has fallen. And when you do, don't be concerned if it looks a little curdled. When you stir it up, it will become smooth. Now let's add the fish sauce, brown sugar, and lime juice. And you can add more of these ingredients later after you taste it. Now these are the vegetables, some bell peppers, carrots, onions, and you can add bamboo shoots if you wish. And I'm going to tear up the lime leaves so they release their fragrance. And let's stir everything together. And by now you should see that the coconut milk should be fairly smooth. Now I'm going to program the Instant Pot to do saute mode. And this is going to allow the vegetables to cook through and all the flavors to meld. At this point you can add your Thai basil. And this is where you can add seasonings to your taste, whether it be brown sugar or fish sauce or lime juice, whether you like it more salty, sweet, sour. Just feel free to add however much you need to make it taste the way you like it. Now keep in mind that the curry will continue to cook if the inner pot stays in the base unit because of the heating element. There will be residual heat, and so your vegetables can get overcooked. So I would either remove the inner pot from the Instant Pot base unit or transfer the curry to a serving bowl. I love eating this curry with jasmine rice. It's just a perfect combination. So be sure to check out the jasmine rice recipe on my blog. If you liked the video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't yet subscribed to my channel, go ahead and hit the subscribe button. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.